when you look at this industry, there is a massive change going into current
Yeah.
industry. SaaS, there are a lot of software. Everybody is launching something. How do you think the company you have built, how they will survive?
Okay. When you open LinkedIn, you'll see every post like write this one prompt and replace your entire marketing team.
Right.
But right now, when I see this mid 2026, things are changing. Okay. Now people have realized people are important. Your cognitive capabilities can never be replaced by AI. Last year, June or July, I met with a very bad accident. I remember people helping me get out, and the first call I could do was to the client.
I think audience might relate to how tough it is being an
Yeah.
entrepreneur.
By the way, I got that client.
So how the idea of SWA has generated, and how you are thinking that key, what was the first thought you have built the SWA?
Okay, sure. I have a strong story behind it.
Okay.
The number one thing is when I see myself as a normal human being or a professional, it has always been very difficult for me to fix, to fit myself into a box.
Okay.
I have struggled my entire life to say that this is, I'm Shivangi and this is who I am.
Oh.
Okay, I never had an answer to this question, one word answer. Okay, and I realized because apart from doing one thing, I'm doing so many different things, and
Right.
every project that I'm taking, every kind direction I have taken in my career, it's entirely different. So the career path is very non-linear. Then when I started speaking to people, I realized that a lot of creative people, talented people, it's a very common thing. You cannot fix them into inside a box.
Right.
Okay, and right now specifically to Gen Zs, to the young people, we have access to every resources, information. We are living in good cities, everything is there, time is fast, internet is there. Then why would we want to fix ourselves into a box? We
Okay.
want to do different things, and that is absolutely fine. That's the normal nature of human brain.
Right.
And that was one frustration which, and when I used to start any project, let's say in Notion, in Jira or anything, these are so corporate style things. There are
Okay.
tools like Jira, Trello and these things which have a very linear structure. They assume that if you are working on 5 things, all 5 things look like the same way.
So it
They-
has same flow of the
structure,
journey.
right? That's not, I tried adapting it, I just could not. Then I moved to other segment of tools that were Notion. Okay, which says you can be flexible. But when I open it, it just gives me a blank thing that do everything on your own. That's a first decision fatigue. And when I started speaking to people, it is exactly the same thing. They had the same problem, that if I have to do everything from my own, I'll do it later. At least give me some template that I can start with.
Okay.
Right, so that's when I started building SWA. So SWA is like, uh, SWA is actually a workspace built for how human minds work, and
Okay.
human minds work in a non-linear way. Okay, the second thing was, when you log into SWA, if you're working on 5 projects, all 5 projects can be 100% customized according to how you feel it should be. Other thing is, I have a st- very strong realization when I had, about the SWA is, it was last year, June.
Okay.
So last year, June or July, I don't remember. Okay, so it was
Yeah.
June or July last year. I was working on a lot of projects. So that was the time when, if somebody could see it externally, I was getting so many projects in my company, in my agency. I had good flow of clients, income, everything. At the same time, I was training for multiple people. I was providing training, I was doing corporate training, and then I had
Right.
a good long term contract for weekly trainings with Upgrad.
Right.
Okay, so I remember I was happy, but I was so swamped with work that since morning to night, all I could think was just work, work, work.
Oh.
And I was sitting there, and I got 10-15 minutes in between, okay, the time. And then my CA had asked for a paper from bank, and I have been calling, like, and the bank said that, okay, we are available, but we are just open for 10 minutes. I was having all the other thoughts in my mind. I just, came out of my place and I started moving to the bank. At the same time, when I was going there, I had hundreds of thoughts going in the mind that I'll go back and I have to join the other meeting. So I was never in the present moment, and I met with a very bad accident.
Oh,
I
that's
remember,
terrible.
yeah, when I met that accident, I remember people helping me get out. And the first call I could do was to the client, to the upgrade, that I might not be able to come tomorrow, and I'm really sorry for that. Okay, I
It's
remember
a, yeah,
yeah, right after that I was there, I could not join the next meeting. I was calling them from my spot of accident, which did not let me move for 2 months. Okay, then when I was there on the in the hospital emergency ward, I was just pinging a client, a new prospect with whom I was going to have a meeting in 2 hours. So I just pushed it to 4 hours, thinking that I might be able to do it.
I think audience might relate to how tough it is being an
Yeah,
entrepreneur
exactly,
and just moving away from the steady corporate life to the entrepreneurship जहाँ पे there is a
exactly.
lot of thing happening at the parallel time and आपको वो करना है क्योंकि that's what you are decided.
Exactly,
That's how
this
you
is how we
started.
decided. So I that was the time, and by the way, I got that client, the prospect with whom I was going to pitch. But I'm telling you the thing, I realized that my mind was never free.
Yeah,
The reason my mind was never free and it was always anxious, because I didn't have any place where I could just dump my thoughts.
yeah.
Okay, all I had was my notebook. So when I started building SWA, what the first thing I built was, every single person has a different cognitive capabilities.
Right,
Right? So when you enter SWA, you get some MCQs about how they start, what they do, very simple lifestyle kind of questions.
right.
Once you answer all those MCQs, you get assigned to a particular archetype. It's like you can be a very lightning starter, you can
Yeah.
be a very gentle organizer, anything.
So
But
it is
it is
like a psychometric test.
yeah, so it's a very small 10 question psychometric test,
Yeah.
and it optimizes the entire dashboard according to your cognitive pattern.
That's perfect. Man. That
That's-
seems like if whatever problem you have, you're getting a customized
Correct.
solution.
Right. And then I can start working on it. And the best feature that I built was, you don't have to remember anything. You can
Okay.
function the best only when your mind is free. Okay. What I was doing, I'm a person who does not like screen, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay. So I cannot keep typing in Google Docs. Even if I do it, my ideas, I'm going to lose it. Or I just write down all the ideas in the notebook that I carry all the time. Then I have to go through the 200 pages to check what I had written. Otherwise, we do the sticky notes. So,
Yeah.
and even if we have an app called Sticky Notes on system, it's just there. It does
Yeah,
nothing, right?
right.
So that's why I added the feature of quick capture in SWA. So whenever you have any idea at all, you just click, either you say it or you type it, it's gonna capture it.
Shivangi has developed a SWA as a Shivangi 2.0.
Correct.
who
That's
want
why it
to-
is called SWA. SWA in Sanskrit means
Oh,
it's
that,
me.
that I was not aware about it.
Yeah,
That's
it is
great.
me. Yeah.
That's-
So something that absolutely understands you, it's SWA. Okay. So when you just put all your ideas there, and then you
Yeah.
don't have to remember anything. We have our SWA AI, which is 100% project aware. You don't need to give it any context.
Okay.
You just ask it on 28th of December, what is something that I had added here in the ideas? What are the ideas I had? It's gonna list down everything.
That's
And the
perfect.
other thing is, we get so many ideas. We have so many talented people. The only difference between successful and unsuccessful people is, successful people actually act on the ideas they have.
Right.
Right? So the distance between ideation to execution is big here. So I try to reduce it as much as possible. So when you have, okay, there were 5 things, there is one thing that I want to start working on. Within one click, it is going to create that, convert that idea into a complete works
So I
project.
think your software application you have created that somehow integrated with the AI. तो एक
Yeah.
long term उसका vision हो गया. So
Correct.
it can be served for a longer period of time and it has a scope to development. क्योंकि now
100%.
everything has been taken over. जहाँ पे we need a LLM models to run AI,
Right.
we need a models to run any software. Because I think that's a wonderful thing to build. You have taken a problem which actually exists.
Yes.
And then a solution that you want, that a lot of people like you wanted, that has been provided. It's a
100%.
wonderful
You know,
thing.
the best thing about SWA is, we are 2 co-founders. I am the founder and I have a technical co-founder with me. He's a proper ADHD diagnosed person,
Okay.
and I have mild ADHD. And we both of us are doing different things. Like, I'm running my marketing agency, he's running his tech agency. Okay. Before even giving it a name, we built it for our purpose. We
Right.
wanted to collaborate on projects, and we were like, nothing works the way I want it to work. Then we started doing the ideation of a project and we were just using it. The
Right.
moment we realized that, okay, this is coming from our pain point, it's so close to our heart that we are going through a problem and we created a solution, we are just using it. Then
Right.
why not launch it as a product? Then we actually started seriously building it and now we have given it a name.
That's perfect. When I look back and I can see lot of things you have done, and the story recently you have shared, which has a lot of emotions. Ki there was a lot of thing happening around. फिर भी आपने somehow you managed to get that client.
Yeah.
When you look back and see your family, parents out there, how does they feel about you? Ki what is the proud statement they ever told you?
Okay, I think I'm very close to my dad
Okay.
and my mom, and my family has always been like a very academic family. Okay,
Okay.
because my mom did her post graduation 32 years ago, where there were barely few
Yeah.
women doing that. My dad did his UPSC. My grandfather did his UPSC. So I
Oh.
belong to that place where every other person is into government job. Okay, so
Okay.
everybody was very much into studies and these things.
Okay.
But when it is about business, nobody has ever done it. People don't you do it. In my family, people usually don't do businesses. They are mostly about पढ़ो लिखो अच्छी जॉब करो गवर्नमेंट जॉब करो okay. But I have always been like I have been trained properly by my parents, my mom and dad. My mom used to teach me to speak in English,
Right.
talk in a certain way, be have the poise and etiquette and all those things. And my dad is a proper desi person who used to teach me to write and do all those things. Okay,
Okay.
so that's a good yeah. But when I started growing up, they felt it is fine because I was getting good grades. But the first thing they wanted me was to try for UPSC. I did not do that. I was amazed to see their reaction when I told them that I want to leave the job. And I felt like they would not be happy. I remember calling my parents saying, I'm just leaving my job. And they were like, okay. I was like, are you guys serious? And they're like, okay, we don't care. It's fine. And I think that is one of the reasons why I never had a pressure at the back of my mind कि मुझे
Okay.
कुछ करना है and ये सब. That was my motivation. I
Right, right.
always wanted to do it, but I never had to do it.
Right.
Having to do something and you choosing to do it are entirely two different things.
Right. That's
The
perfect.
good thing is, just because I left the job, I tried taking some risk. I built businesses. I made much more money than
Any
my family
corporate job
had.
would
Yeah.
have done.
Even my entire family would have ever imagined somebody making. Trust
Okay.
me, I would not say the number, but I made really good money. By the age of 25, 26, I built 2 properties in Pune,
Oh,
all by
that's
my business money. We did trips. And I come from a middle class family, and I think my parents' first flight journey happened because I planned it, I
yeah,
did
I
it.
got it.
And then after that, I see the difference that it has been a certain lifestyle which used to feel far fetched for us. It's like normal for my parents. And that is a different kind of relief, I feel. So I feel my parents are very proud of me. And yeah,
Yeah,
it's a great thing.
that's very awesome and amazing thing that you have built this thing in a career where जो आपने corporate job छोड़ के यहाँ पे आके you have built awesome things out there. When you look at this industry, there is a massive change going in the current
Yeah.
industry. SaaS, there are a lot of software. Everybody is launching something. How do you think the company you have built? What is the future plan? How it will be built in a future? How they will survive?
Okay. So is it about Civ Media
Yeah.
or is it about Suswa?
It is about SWA.
Okay, so the first thing is in 2025, late 2025 and this 2026, you see everything is being replaced with AI at a very rapid rate.
Right.
Everything is being changed, and actually we also faced a big downfall in the as the agency, my Sift
Right.
Media, because people started automating everything. And when you open LinkedIn, you will see every post like write this one prompt and replace your entire marketing team. Right, so this is an entire bubble going on around marketing. But right now, when I see this mid 2026, things are changing. Okay,
How?
now people have realized the number one thing is people felt like AI boom is there. If we
Right.
just I have been in organizations and I have seen money flowing from from people to just AI. Okay,
Perfect.
they tried that, but right now and later on they realized it's not how they
People
had.
are
People are
irreplaceable.
important. Your cognitive capabilities can never be replaced by AI.
Yeah.
AI can do execution,
Okay.
but AI does not has its, AI can do pattern recognition, then it is going to give you information, but somehow it is getting the information
So
fit.
how you are making sure that it is happening in your company? So
Right. So for SWA, that's why we never made it only AI company.
okay.
Okay. Our company, if my product is 30% AI, it's still 70% human brain, human technologies, and we are very intentionally and thoughtfully working on each and every features together.
That's perfect. Matlab, you
Yeah.
are integrating human intelligence with the
Correct.
artificial intelligence.
Right. And the second thing, and this is the future actually. You asked what is the future?
Yeah.
Our future might have seemed like it is going to be replaced, everything is going to be replaced by AI in the beginning of this year. But the fact is that uh, only the people who are completely, focusing on only execution style of work, their work is going to be replaced. But if you add that strategy plus execution, cognitive capability plus execution, you are always going to stay irreplaceable. The other thing I saw is the expense of AI.
Okay.
Initially, AI had a very easy entry point.
Okay.
It made it your habit to use it. Then recently, you have seen
The
ChatGPT,
prices.
Anthropic, and all these companies. They have surged the price like anything. So, is it sustainable? It's not.
That's
Right
where the
now,
company actually need to invest a lot
correct,
in AI.
correct. So they saw that there is a human psychology that let them enter, let this make a habit, and then we will start charging them.
Right.
Okay, so this is not sustainable for anybody. India has always been a market where we are, the labor has been cheaper than others, right? But at the same time, we have execution mindset, and at the same time, we have some good strategy as well. Now, when you
Right.
try to replace it with AI, man, we are cheaper than AI.
That's
Yeah.
pretty much what your thought is perfect, that there is a lot of things going on in AI, but
Yeah.
how it can be affordable to everyone is a question. Now
Absolutely.
we do have a lot of audience who keep thinking about building or look at you as an entrepreneur and want to learn from you. I just want a final advice from you for a person who is 22-year-old guy, maybe building some software. What could be your advice? How should he will start his own journey, and what are the two things he need to do that he will able to make a success?
Okay. That's a heavy question.
Yeah.
So the first thing, if somebody is doing this at 22, I also started building and thinking about these
Yeah.
things at the age of 22 only. Okay. I was 21 when I joined my first job, and within the next year, I started feeling the planning the exit and other things. So if somebody is doing that, the first thing I would say, remember that you don't have to do business only because it's cool. Okay, it's not cool. It's the most uncool thing in the world. If you want to be a boring person, if you are ready to leave everything aside and just focus on this, and you feel that heavily attached to an idea or the idea of doing business,
Right.
then only you should do it. Okay, otherwise
Got
don't do
it.
it. Second thing is, just because you started something and it does not resonate with you, feel free to start another business. It's absolutely fine. What we think is, I have announced it, I've been doing on this, and I've been working for 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, and maybe if I stop it right now, what will people say? That if am I a failure? No. But what happened is, I'm just reading a book called Essentialism, which says
Okay.
that human brain sees time or effort in two ways. Okay, so the time and effort we have already spent on something, that feels much more valuable to us than the time and effort that we are going to spend later on something.
That's
So we
perfect.
don't want to change the decisions, we don't want to reverse things that we have done. Okay,
That's awesome.
so feel free to leave at any time, and whatever you have done, it's not gone to zero. You have
So
all the do's, don'ts, and
right.
learnings from there that you can try in the another
So
business.
if I have to summarize it, it will be something like this for the audience, that you have to start something what you are thinking of, start working on it, and wherever you feel it is not something that going to work, you got a feedback, just don't feel free to drop it. Just drop it because it is required.
Right.
Right?
And
Don't
yeah,
fall in love with idea.
correct, correct. Fall in love with the thing that you are doing, not just the
The
idea that you have chosen.
right.
And I would like to subtly insert that when you're working like this on SWA workspace,
Yeah.
you actually have the guidance section.
Right.
When you feel like the project, I don't know how the project is going. I don't know what I should do next, or maybe I need to change that. So
Right.
the guidance section actually guides you with the entire thing. If you feel like you need to change everything, it is going to let you change every single thing. So this
That's
is how it is so adaptable, very adaptable AI that we, the workspace system that we have built.
Perfect. On this note, thank you, Shivangi, for coming here. It was a great conversation we had. Thank you, everyone. Learn from this session. There is a lot of learning we are shared. Keep watching 0.5 Show.